Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Today I have a 2021 Hyundai i20. This is the mild hybrid version. I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner. So first off, we're going to come over the driver's side. Just down in the footwell, we've got the bonnet release lever. Give that a quick pull. And then we're going to come around to the front of the vehicle. Just above the Hyundai badge, there's actually a lever. Push that to the left and that will allow you to open up the bonnet. Now over the left hand side we've got this bonnet stay and we're going to put that in that hole there. Once you're happy that's safe and secure, just come over to the right hand side of the vehicle and you'll see your battery. This is your engine bay fuse box and this is your air filter box. Now really simple to remove your air filter. There's just two clips and you don't need any tools. You've got one to the right there and one down to the front. Then you actually pull it away and up. Then that will actually expose your air filter or air cleaner. So just take that out. You may find some debris in the bottom there that you want to vacuum out and then give this a good clean, or replace it obviously. Making sure it goes in the right way, which is fins down. Making sure it's seated all the way around. Grab your lid. Just going to rotate that back in, push it all the way down, then replace the two clips. Just for reference as well, this is the MAF or the mass airflow sensor, in case you ever need to replace that. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.